Hi guys, I got back to my office today and was looking through some materials from a time I've taught this class before, and I came across something that I thought was interesting, and I wanted to send you guys a YouTube video so that you could see problem number 11 done in a different way that's way easier than what we attempted in class today, which is the way I thought about it the second time, of course, teaching it, but not having reference to the first time. On problem number 11, if you'll remember, you're supposed to construct a triangle given two angles and a side that is not included. So if you have these two angles given, right, like we did in class today, and you've got a side given, and you're supposed to do this side that's not between them, we run into a problem, of course, because it's really easy if we have the side and we know these two angles right here, and we can just finish the diagram. And so what I was failing to remember is a very basic fact that you all know about triangles, and that's that the triangle angles add up to 180. So the sum of my angles is 180 degrees, right? So the other thing then, of course, is that the angle measure on a line is also 180 degrees. So if we had an angle like this, right, a straight angle, we should be able to create the congruent angle to this first one right here. Let me call it angle alpha, and we'll call this one angle beta. So I should be able to create a congruent angle to angle alpha, and you all know how to do that. And then using that red side that I just created as the side for angle beta, we should be able to create angle beta right here. And the beauty then, of course, is that we can actually know what the third angle should be because they have to add up to this linear angle, this line that I have right here. So we'll call this third angle omega. So omega looks like a W. So this third angle right here would be the third side. So if my angle alpha now is over here, I know my angle beta is going to be somewhere up in the sky that I don't know, but because I know angle omega, I don't have to actually construct it in a different way than what we did before that we found to be quite simple. So I'm just going to give you some basic steps for doing this and let you finish it up on your own. That way we can move on to number 12 in class on Thursday. So the first thing is to create line segment AB. So this is my AB down here that I was creating. I'm sorry, not there. Right here. Line segment AB. Well, actually, I just never did create line segment AB, but you know what I mean. So let me do it again over here. So I've got my arbitrary line down here, right? Whoops, that's not the button I wanted. So you've got an arbitrary line down here, and to create a line segment AB that is congruent to the line segment I was giving, we'll call it L. So create line segment AB congruent to segment L. And then we are going to use angle alpha and angle beta to find angle omega by using the fact that alpha plus beta plus omega equals 180, which is a straight angle. Measuring 180 degrees. Okay. So once we have angle omega, then create triangle ABC as we did in construction number 10 using angles alpha and omega, or you could use beta and omega if you prefer. and then we're done with the construction. So this is a basic list of instruction steps. I'm not drawing the whole construction on here, of course, because I can't do that in the screen, but that gives you an idea of how to do it a way quicker way than what we were attempting to do in class today, so I hope that helps.